Hey gang, today we're going to be talking a little bit about one of the 30-minute sister kits. So this is the first time that we've ever built one on our channel or on our Twitch streams. We're a big fan of the 30-minute missions kits, and I've been eyeing these waifu kits for a very long time, so we finally have one of them that we can try out. This is one that Peanut is super excited for. She's always kind of been into aquatic looking things, so she's a big fan of Shark Girl. So today I'm going to be doing a build and a review of the 30-minute sister Siana-Amarcia kit. And thank you so much to Plamod, the official Bandai distributor in Canada, for sending us our very first 30-minute sister kit to give a go. Here is a close-up of what she looks like when she's completed. This is the fully armored up version. So you've swapped out the arms and the legs, and she's got her little jellyfish hair buns on her as well. The shark mouth open and close, which is just so fun for absolutely no reason. In terms of articulations, she's not overly flexible in the leg joints here, which is something I noticed right away, because legs tend to be some of my favorite areas to use for poses. I assume that's pretty standard, but this is as far as her leg goes back. At her knee, you don't quite get a full 90 degree here, so you're limited in what you can do. I also don't imagine she stands very well on these points, but it looks very cool. She comes with this stand, by the way, this transparent clear stand that she's on, which is great if she's in this armored pose. I don't know how else you would manage to pose this girl. One of the things that I really wanted to give a call out for these styles of kits, this is our first 30-minute sister kit, so I don't know if this is the case for every 30-minute sister kit or if this is just the best 30-minute sister kit in existence. But with her, I felt that I didn't need to sand very often. Is that a thing? Is that common? Rarely was I reaching for my sanding sponges or any of my sanding tools while building this kit. I did hear that a lot of the 30-minute sister kits were made to not even really need tools. Wait, let me check the box. Use a nipper to build. Yeah, so the box does say that you should use a nipper and that you don't need any glue. But I found, and maybe this is just weird of me, I always do a two snip technique. I always nip the runner where there's still part of the nib attached to the kit, and then I'll go back again and I'll use my clippers to get rid of the nub. And you really don't have to with these kits. I built her doing the two nip the entire way through. When I built her optional body pieces, I did a single cut through the entire pack of the additional body parts. And I found that the cuts came out cleaner than when I was doing my two nips. I don't get it, I don't understand it, I love it, it made me very happy. Sometimes building can be stressful, and this was just a fun time. It was so clean, so easy, very, very beginner friendly, a very different experience than what I'm used to, and I loved that about this kit. So I 100% would love more 30-minute sister kits. Unbelievable. I would like to collect a whole bunch of them. Peanut doesn't like to build, but based on my building experience with this girl here, I think Peanut would enjoy building a 30-minute sister kit because there's very little sanding. The nibs come off so easily. They're in locations that are so easy to get to, and nothing has fallen apart while I've tried posing her, which is something I notice with a lot of my Gunpla kits very frequently, is I love the building experience, and as soon as I try to mess around with them to pose them, they start falling apart. No. She's sturdy, reliable, resilient. Absolutely love. I am hooked now. I would absolutely love more of these 30-minute sister kits. I'm going to start a waifu collection, and this is going to be my go-to.